Hello everyone, here we are with QCAT's prediction for June 2024. First topic is talk about a famous person who has positive or significant influence on younger people. और same topic एक और है, describe a famous person who you think is a good role model for young generation. दोनों टॉपिक में सेम ही टाइप आप बोल सकते हैं कंटेंट, क्योंकि ये थोड़ा सा मॉडिफाई करके है. एनी popular person who you think has influenced the young generation. It can be any actor, politician, social worker, cricketer, anybody. Next topic is talk about a place you visited where things were too expensive. कोई ऐसी जगह आप गए जहाँ चीज़ें बहुत महंगी थी. It can be any luxury mall or any place where you felt that things were expensive than normal. नेक्स्ट टॉपिक इज डिस्क्राइब अ सिचुएशन व्हेन पीपल कॉन्ग्रेचुलेटेड यू. अभी अभी रिजल्ट आए हैं 12th के. मुझे लगता है आप में से कईयों को तो तभी कॉन्ग्रेचुलेट किया होगा लोगों ने. यू कैन टॉक अबाउट एनी सिचुएशन व्हेन यू गॉट compliment or best wishes for your result, your studies, job, any achievement. Next one is describe a happy event in your life. Any happy event, any occasion, any function, or you can talk about your farewell, welcome party, any which you felt it was a happy event for you. Next one is describe a project that you have worked on recently. It can be a school project, work project, and what was the project, what you did overall, how was the response to that project. Next one is describe an occasion when you waited a long time for a nice thing. Any occasion when you waited for something to happen and the wait was good because the result was very good. Next one is describe a sports person you admire. Very old topic. You can talk about any sports person whom you admire. Who is this person? Why you admire him or her? And you can talk about their achievements as well. Next one is talk about a historical building you like to visit. Any historical building? There are so many historical buildings in India. You can talk about Taj Mahal. You can talk about Red Fort. Why you want to visit that place? Do you know about the history, or you want to know about the history after visiting there? Next one is talk about a time when you felt something bad may happen but the outcome was good. Means like you were worried that something bad can happen, but when the result came it was good result and you had a sigh of relief. So you can talk about that situation. Next topic is talk about a place where you usually go and relax. You can talk about any riverside area, library, park. Next one is talk about a child you have met. You can talk about any child whom you met on particular occasion. It can be a known, unknown child as well. Talk about an important home appliance that is used daily in your family. We use so many appliances, you can choose one, then you can talk about its benefits. Guys, all the topic which I'm going to talk about now are the same which we discussed in May prediction. So you can prepare from that video as well if you have not watched yet. So the topic is describe a time when you had to wear a uniform. It can be your school uniform, work uniform, or any particular occasion you wore, for example in NCC, NSS camps. Next one is describe a difficult task that you had to do. Any difficult task related to your studies, work, or normally in your daily life. Talk about a map that is important to you, like which map it is, why it is important, for what purpose you use it for. Next one is talk about somebody who cooked a special meal for you, or talk about somebody who is good at cooking. You can talk about that. It's whole topic. Place near water that you enjoyed visiting, or any place near water you would like to visit. You can talk about any seaside, riverside place. Next one is talk about an interesting conversation you had. Sometime it's like interesting conversation you had with stranger, or interesting conversation you had with an old person. So you can talk about anybody. Next one is an unusual journey you went on. Unusual means ajeebo-gareeb koi journey which you were never thought to go for. So you can talk about that. Talk about an object you use at home which makes your life easier. It's like same appliance you use daily. You can talk about the same. Describe a visit to a friend or relative that you enjoyed. Any visit which you enjoyed. Next one is talk about a picture or photograph that you like. Any photo you have clicked, somebody has clicked. Why you like that particular picture. Next topic is describe something that you did with somebody or group of people. Any activity you did with one person or with lot of persons. What was the activity? Next one is describe a subject that you would like to learn in the future. Which subject it is? Is it anthropology? It is economics? It is sociology? You can talk about any subject. Describe a natural place, any park or mountain you visited or you would like to visit, or generally. So you can talk about any mountain area these days due to chilly summers. People are going to mountain. You can talk about that place. Describe a risk you took that you thought would lead to a terrible result but ended up with a positive result. Guys, this is same topic which we discussed. Something you thought something bad will happen but the outcome was good. But here it is a risk you took. You thought there will be a terrible result but it ended up with a positive result. These days youngsters are investing their money in stocks. It's a kind of risk they take, but sometime it ended up with a positive result. You can talk about that as well. Next one is describe someone you know who made a good decision recently. Any decision they make and it was very good for them. Next one is describe a place where you have taken photos more than once. Means you went to a place and it's a very, you can say, place with scenic beauty and you took photos more than once. Describe a tourist attraction that people visit, very few people visit, and you think is interesting because it's not very much popular among tourists, but the place is very interesting. So you can talk about the place, why less people know about it. Next one is describe an interesting place you have been to with a friend. Any interesting place, it can be any cafe, park, museum, and you visited it with your friend. Next one is describe a person who encouraged you to achieve your goal. Means you have some goal and that person motivated you, helped you, guided you. You can talk about, if you are a sports person, you can talk about your coach, mentor. Next one is describe a sport that you only have watched before but haven't played yourself. Means any sports you have watched but haven't played. For example, cricket, you watch it regularly but you haven't tried it. Next one is describe a new law you would like to introduce in your country. Very old topic. Any law you would like to introduce in your country and why you want that law to be implemented. Next topic is describe an indoor or outdoor place where it is easy for you to study. Some people like to study in indoors, some people like to study in outdoors. You can talk about any place where you like to study. It can be your study room, library, it can be any place near your house, open area where you like to study. It can be your terrace as well. Describe a person who thinks music is important and enjoys music. Means somebody who loves music. It can be any musician, any singer, you can talk about that. Describe an important plant in your country. Very old topic again. Next one is describe a person who likes to buy goods with low prices. Means somebody who's good at bargaining or who goes to street markets to buy the products. They don't buy things in stores or malls. Next one is describe a place that is good for people to live in. Any place in your city or town which you feel it's good for people to live in. Describe a time you taught something new to a younger person. Anything. It can be related to studies, it can be related to any skill. Next topic is describe an enjoyable journey by public transport. Any journey which you enjoy by train or bus, you can talk about that. Describe something you own that you want to replace. Means you want to replace your phone, car. Next one is describe a time when you received money as a gift. Again, very old topic. Next one is describe a person you are happy to know. Anybody. It can be your friend, your neighbor. You are happy to know that person. Describe a piece of good news that you heard about somebody you know well. Any good news you can talk about. Next topic is describe a film character played by an actor or actress you admire. Means you admire some actor or actress and they played a particular character and you liked it a lot. You can talk about that. Next one is describe a complaint that you made and satisfied with the result, means you received a bad service, you complained and it was rectified. Next one is describe something you would like to learn in the future. It can be any skill. You can talk about that: painting, singing, playing an instrument, driving, swimming. Describe a public facility, a museum or library that has been renovated and improved recently in your area and people started using it. I think quite easy. Next one is describe a place you visited where air was polluted, means any places you visited where there was a lot of pollution. And then the another topic is describe a place you visited where there was a lot of noise. Guys, see, one is air pollution, one is noise pollution. So you can prepare any place where you found it. Next one is describe a person you met at party and enjoyed a conversation with. This is same, any conversation, interesting conversation you had with somebody. Next one is describe a time when you missed or were late for an important meeting or event. We generally get late due to traffic or sometimes due to our own reasons. You can talk about any event. Next one is describe an occasion when you wore your favorite clothes. Like what was the occasion? What kind of clothes you wore? Next one is talk about a person who likes to talk a lot, a talkative person. I think this is an interesting one. Next one is describe a long-term goal you would like to achieve. Means any goal you have, it's a long-term goal and you would like to achieve it in the future. Next one is describe a period where you were busy. When it was, why you were busy. Describe a time you successfully did something difficult. This is again same kind of any difficult task you did and you did it successfully, so you can prepare in the same way. Next one is describe a situation when you helped somebody. Who was the person? Why you helped? And how you felt after helping them. Next topic is describe something in your country that you are interested in. Anything. It can be any particular place. It can be related to any topic. I think these days we all are interested in elections. So you can talk about what is that something, why you are interested in that. Describe a film you watched or any film that impressed you. Any favorite film you can talk about. Next one is describe an unusual holiday you had. Earlier it was unusual journey. It is unusual holiday. You can talk about why it was unusual. And the last but not the least is describe a time when you picked up an item that someone else lost. Means you found something and then you complained it to police or you put it on social media, then you were able to give it back to the owner. So you can talk about that situation. So guys, these are the topics that are expected in June 2024. Good luck.